What's going on, guys? If you're a beginner barber, this is the video for you. Stick around. I'm gonna tell you all the tools you're gonna need to get started. So the first two tools you're gonna need is a pair of neck strips and a cape. The neck strip is gonna go around the neck to prevent hair falling into the neck and also keeping the client sanitized and clean. The next tool that I have here in my hand is a pair of clippers. You're gonna need this. It's the only way you're gonna cut the client's hair is with a pair of clippers. So I prefer wireless. If you don't have the budget, you can go with a wired one. The wireless is always convenient because you can easily move it around when you're working around the customer. And it's easy to do house calls. When you go do house calls, you could take it with you anywhere. You just plug the battery and you're good. Going on the fourth tool, you're gonna need trimmers. Not only giving a customer a clean fade, you're gonna need to line them up. And this is the best tool to do that. Over here, I have wireless trimmers. They also sell wired ones, but same thing. This relates to the clipper. You can easily move around the seat of the customer and you have comfortability to line them up easy. These are a must. This right here is gonna almost complete the haircut. Over here I got shears and texture shears as well. You're gonna need these for the comb overs, for the long hairs. Almost every person that sits in your seat, 9 out of 10 will trim the top. Doesn't matter the type of hair they got. So you're gonna need a pair of these two. The texture, to give it texture all around, make those nice layers, and to take length off the top. You're gonna need two brushes. Simple. One is gonna be to brush the fade or the haircut. The other one is gonna be to brush the hairs off the trimmers and clippers. All the little hairs out. Because you need to constantly be cleaning the trimmers and the clippers. As you cut hair, a lot of hair is gonna build up around the blade of the trimmers and clippers, so you wanna always make sure that that's clean throughout the whole haircut so you can easily cut smooth. You see this in my hand? You're gonna need this. This is a shaver or balder. This is to give it that very clean skin look when you do the skin blowout or the skin fade. So this is a must because this is gonna make the fade pop out. The comb. This is a must along with the brushes as well. This helps you pick up the long hairs when you're gonna trim it or when you're gonna part it. So this is a must to have. Not only it parts, and you can also clipper over comb as well too, which goes in hand. You're gonna need a neck duster. At the end of the haircut, you wanna be able to dust all the hairs out. And you can also do it throughout the haircut as well too, because it will accumulate a lot of hairs as you're cutting, especially people that come in with a lot of hair. So this is a must. You're gonna need this as well. You're gonna need a razor blade holder and also blades as well too. This is a must. This is gonna give it that crisp look that you're looking for on the edges, or you can use it behind the neck to get a closer shave. This works good. Matter of fact, if your shaver, if the battery ever dies on your shaver, you can always use this to bald out the skin on the sides. You're gonna need some bottle sprays. The reason I have two in my hand is because you're gonna need two. You're gonna need one with alcohol in it for the after the haircut. When you finish after the haircut, you spray it to disinfect any little thing on the head and put a little smell in there as well too. And you're gonna need water to cut the hair on top. This is a must. This is a cool care kit. This is to disinfect all your machines. This, you're gonna use it before and after each haircut. You wanna stay sanitized throughout each and every one of your haircuts. It's very important. You cannot buy the tools without buying this. You need to buy this along with all the other tools. Very important. Also, you're gonna need an aftershave, cologne, or spray. This is very good for when you do hot towel shaves with the razor. And at the end of the shave, you add a little bit of this aftershave for the customers. This is very good. Another thing that you're gonna need along with your clippers are guards. This you're gonna need because you cannot cut without guards. Some clients might wanna get a number 3 guard on the side. Some clients might wanna get a number 1 guard. Some might wanna get a number 8. So you need to be prepared with the guards. This is very important. This is how you're gonna be able to fade. So you need the guards. You could get yourself wall guards. They're very good, they're universal. They fit on almost every wall machine out there. The last thing you're gonna need is hair clips. You wanna be ready so when that customer sits in your chair so that the hair doesn't get in the way whenever you're doing a fade below the long length that he has. This is gonna help you with parting it as well. With long hair, you're ready to clip it up. To end this video, I hope you guys liked the video and it was helpful in finding the new tools that you need as a beginner barber. For more content, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff and support my channel. I'm gonna be coming out with more content and helping new barbers in their journey. Take care, guys.